Hey there, this is Gabriela, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Money Robot Submitter to rank your Fiverr gig and get more traffic and sales. Now, suppose you are not familiar with Money Robot Submitter. Money Robot Submitter is a software who allows you to submit articles and video to different websites and social media platforms to get better ranking. And of course, if you're looking to rank your Fiverr gig, then getting better ranking is something you want. Okay, first we need to talk about Fiverr SEO, on how to improve your SEO on your gig before talking about Money Robot. That's gonna take us to the step 1, using Fiverr search bar autocomplete feature to help us picking the right keyword. Okay? For this example, let's think we're a graphic designer and we create a gig to sell logos. We're going to Fiverr. We'll first type the word logo in the Fiverr search bar. Once we type in, we're gonna have a drop down menu. It will show you some search terms that Fiverr has autocomplete for me based on the search term I typed in. All this. It's the same way the Google search bar works, showing you terms based on what you type in, okay, for popularity. Using some of these suggestions, it's gonna help you to a specific instead to be too wide in our niche, just logo. If we just try to optimize our title and description with just a logo keyword, it's gonna be too many people, trying to sell the same type of gig. It's better, much better, to narrow our keyword to make it more specific. Like this one, we're gonna take like logo design or logo animation, animate logo. You will check, okay? And whatever is you are having here is what you are going to work. If I do logo design, check all the other, search terms I have here. It's gonna narrow our niche, and that's what we're trying to look. Whatever you take here is what you're gonna do to help you to narrow and to be more specific on your keyword and put on your title and description. After that, like any of these, like modern minimalists, okay, whatever they are doing, in this case you need to take to change to Fiverr business. I don't have one, but I know it's like Fiverr.com, something like chair, and then some ID. Let's put ID number, okay? That's gonna be your URL in this case, just a sample, okay? Taking this and taking the keywords we want to work with, like logo design, we're going to jump up to Money Robot. We also can use here the keyword research from Money Robot. This is including our license. You don't need to pay this for this an extra money. You can go here and give you some ideas, because all these ideas are coming from Google, but here are coming from what the people are looking in Fiverr. That's make the main difference between one search bar and the other one. Okay, let's go. Just an example, we'll grab it here, and then we're going to create our gig Fiverr logo 1. Remember, you need to click on advanced That way you can see the other features here, advanced ones, and create an account with your main keyword. If you are doing logo design minimalist, that's going to be our our new category. Then we can go to generic keywords. Sorry, this is from old one. And you can here put it like 50, 60. It's important to see how much you want here. Don't go into do the whole only keywords. That's not natural under Google Ads. Remember that. Then save it. You can put here one link, and in this case, let's do and grab our URL, our geek URL. Then gonna use the you see logo design minimalist, and then mother logo luxury business. We can still use few of those here, but my recommendation is to start with one, the main one, and then you can work with another ones. In here you're gonna do this and click on maybe modern minimalist luxury logo design. Then click on create article. You also can use your own article, no problem. And in this case for Fiverr, this is the one diagram I'm gonna use. This is really good to create new accounts. In this case we are waiting for this. Okay, we got it for new accounts, and then you can use this one. Here's where this one is really good for reuse your accounts. Means one campaign, the first one. That's why we have here one with 1, 3, 12 plus social. Creating new accounts. I will put the diagram code on the description area, don't worry. And then I'll do 2, 3, 4, 5 campaigns. That means number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 with this one. Reusing that account I already made under this diagram. Then I will gonna create the number 6 account, number 6 campaign. With this one, creating again new accounts. And then 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reusing that account. This is on this one. With the keyword. What you need to do every time is just when it's finished number 1, clone this account at this one. Let me show you how. Start campaign. Then when it's done, when it's finished, go ahead, right click, clone project, and after upload the whole thing, you recreate, refresh. You need to make a new article. Don't do the same one. Okay, and then I will do using the existing under this category. And you can do then, after you do the 10, you can do this one, having this one also in the article. You can have like 3 or 4 here, making, whatever you do. But remember, on your title, on your description, need to have those keywords you find in here, because if not, you are missing the Fiverr SEO. As SEO is at the end, it's the same thing in here in Google. Okay, hope this going to help you guys, and let me know if you have any question in the comment area. Until the next one.